Can you take us through the journey of what those 12 years looked like? Because to go from that drive, that trip, right? That was like the moment it started.
So I came back, I typed into Google, how do you build a website, and started just navigating, purchasing the domain and filing
Yep.
an LLC and all just the formal things that need to take place to start a business, and had no idea what I was doing. Found some ASU graduates to kind of build. I'm not a technical minded co-founder, so I had to find someone who could build the product. So I met some ASU grads through a friend, and we kind of started ideating on what this could look like. One of the biggest things, and even still today, which is it's been difficult, is aggregating all this tournament data. You have so many obscure sites and sources, and we're looking at forward-looking data. So event, what's the organization, the event name, the location, the Google coordinates, entry fees, URLs. I mean, there's over 20 different data points that we collect.
Okay.
And then, if you want to be a source of true information and be of value to the end user, that data has to be true and accurate. All these different data points could change outside of maybe location, but even locations could change. And so once you aggregate all this data, you then have to go back on a schedule and make sure that all that data you're collecting is correct. And now through API, partnerships with these organizations, we can get some of that. But that was the first thing, is just figuring out, how do I create this hub of events? And so we kind of stumbled and tripped our way along, and we ultimately launched a mini tour hub. I had really no idea. My ultimate goal was, I just want to make enough money so I can chase a PGA Tour card full time.
Yep.
It costs $50,000 to $100,000 a year to play professional golf.
Yeah.
So I wanted to just make enough to do that. That's where it all started.